It's the part 2 of Date Her Like You're Worshipping a Goddess. Because last time when I had put that video, I started getting more and more ideas that in the ways it's all similar. It is similar, and you are gonna get mind blown because the ideas I got were so many. Today I have to sit with my phone because I have noted them all down and I cannot not really remember all of them. Okay, so here I go. So, adding on the last video, okay? Now, another thing that is very similar to dating a woman and worshipping a goddess is a goddess which is worshipped by many bhakts is just a better goddess, right? But a bhakt which is telling everyone, every goddess that, I'm actually your devotee, and then telling the other one that actually I really, believe in you, and, just saying that, doing that to every other goddess out there. That is just not a good bhakt for any one of them. So as we say, right, a woman which is desired by all the men is just a more desirable woman, more high value woman, right? And a man which is just going around to every woman saying that, oh, actually, I really like you. Oh, actually, I'm in love with you. Oh, you're the one for me. Right? That is just a low value man, right? Because he's just putting his eggs in all the basket, thinking from some place he'll get the investment, but he doesn't know all the goddesses talk. So we get to know that, oh, ye tere paas bhi aaya tha, haan, ye mere paas bhi aaya tha. He's just for the streets. Right? So वेरी सिमिलर, राइट? गॉडेस की वैल्यू उनके भक्त ज़्यादा होने से सिर्फ बढ़ती है, बट एक भक्त 4 जगह चक्कर लगा रहा है, वो अच्छा भक्त नहीं है. वो एक्चुअली इनमें से किसी से भी रेजोनेट नहीं करता है, सब जगह वो फेक ही कर रहा है, उसको कहीं से कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अनदर सिमिलैरिटी. अनदर वन इज when you stop worshipping a goddess, she leaves. Goddess is hard to get and easy to leave. यहाँ पे इतना जो ये राड़ा मचा हुआ है कि औरतें डिवोर्स के लिए फाइल कर रही हैं, औरतें इतना डिवोर्स क्यों ले रही हैं, आजकल की लड़कियां तो शादी में रह ही नहीं पा रही हैं. आजकल की लड़कियां अपने गॉडेस मोड में हैं, राइट? जब तक उनको वर्शिप करोगे तब तक वो रहेंगी. द डे यू स्टॉप वर्शिपिंग, यू ऑलरेडी sign up for it, okay? Even if not legally, you have started the train. You stopped worshipping the goddess. You thought she will just stay there, take that treatment. Not anymore. So she will leave, okay? And women are told like, no, इतनी जल्दी तुम्हें गिव अप नहीं कर देना चाहिए, तुम्हें और ट्राई कर. Marriage is led by a man, in case you didn't know. Please read, please educate yourself. You're just embarrassing everyone out here, okay, by saying stuff like that, okay? So marriage is led by a man, okay? The bhakt leads the whole devotion part कि भाई मैं आपकी सेवा करूँगा, मैं डेली आपकी सेवा करूँगा. और भक्त अगर सेवा करना एक दिन बंद कर देता है and eventually वो it doesn't get around with that, what does God say? I think, yeah, even this much is okay for me. It's okay, मैं इसमें भी रह लूँगी. The fuck no. She leaves and never comes back. And that's exactly what's supposed to happen. That is what it's supposed to be. And then Bhakt will be like, the fuck, मैंने क्या कर दिया? I should have cherished her when I had her. I should have, like, continued with that. Because जहाँ तक आप consistent हो, आप सिर्फ वहीं तक सच्चे हो. जहाँ पे आपकी consistency गई, आपकी फीलिंग सच नहीं थी उसके ऑनवर्ड. जस्ट एक्सेप्ट दैट. एवरी रिलेशनशिप इज लाइक दैट. जहाँ तक आप किसी से सच्चा प्यार करते हो, आप वहाँ तक उसकी केयर करने में आपको कोई एफर्ट नहीं लगेगा कि मैंने तुम्हारी केयर करी तो मुझे बहुत एफर्ट लग रहा है ये करने में. नहीं. वेन यू डू इट जस्ट कम्स एज योर नेचर, लाइक ऐसे आता है बाहर, राइट? एंड जब नहीं है तो नहीं है ना. एंड वाई डू यू वॉन्ट द बेनिफिट ऑफ देम बीइंग देयर व्हेन यू कैन नॉट इवन पुट इन द इन्वेस्टमेंट? It's not gonna work like that just because you want it to. You want everything free. It's not gonna work out. Okay? So yeah, so you stop worshipping goddess, she's supposed to live. If any woman which is in her goddess mode, she leaves. All the women which are staying after they have been stopped, being worshipped long back, that's the way they're telling you they are not in their goddess mode. They need to heal, they need to work on themselves. Okay, next is when you mistreat her, she can actually destroy you. Have you seen? You've seen many cases nowadays, right? कि जब एक लिमिट तक आपने ठीक है गॉडेस की पूजा करना आपने नहीं समझा, आपने उसको वर्शिप करना बंद कर दिया. शी विल जस्ट, दैट इज इनफ. उसके आगे कुछ क्लोजर नहीं चाहिए उसको, बिकॉज दैट योर लैक ऑफ एफर्ट वॉज अ क्लोजर फॉर हर टू नो इट्स नॉट देयर एनी मोर, इट्स ओके, आई विल गो. ओके, एंड देन उसके बाद यू थॉट यू कैन मिसट्रीट हर. ओके, नाउ दैट यू हैव हर, यू थिंक दैट her blessings are forever or something. Like, अब आप पे उनकी सील लग गई है, इनकी ब्लेसिंग्स तो सिर्फ आप ही को मिलेंगी और हर बार आपको बस मिलती चले जाएंगी बिकॉज यू स्कोर्ड हर फॉर वंस. Oh fuck, you're so out of your mind. Right? When you try to mistreat her, like neglect करोगे तो वो चली जाएंगी. But in case, if she's taking her time to leave or whatever that's going on, maybe she might be taking care of the kids and she'll be like, okay, I need to plan, and you think you can in the time mistreat her, God gets back at you. She gets back at you. She can destroy you. The same woman that can just blow life into your existence, which can make your world go colorful from black and white. She can take all the colors back and even destroy whatever the fuck you had going on. That's how powerful we are. That's how God made us. So, no doubts. Next is, you can never ask a goddess, how would she like to be worshipped? So then you can do that shit. No, you never ask that, right? You offer whatever you can. And if you offer with love, she can sense it. And she'll be happy to receive it. She'll appreciate it. And she will even tell you that, I like this and this is my preference. Then you'll get the notes. Yeah, okay, write it down. This is what she likes. I will do that more. Right? In all the god and goddesses stories, that's what happens. A lot of gods will take whatever they bring with love, their bhakts. They'll just take that. They'll happily take that. Because that is what? They are being fed with love. They are nourished with love. And they will just take that. And then in case, they want something more, they will tell that, I really like this thing. That is enough for the bug to know. He'll be like, okay, taking notes. I'll do that. Right? It's that easy. But you cannot ask. That's why this in dating we say, right? You don't ask a woman where would she want to go eat. Because in that case, you are just a driver. You are not her lover. You are a driver. That's what you are. You're asking, Madam, where should I take you? And Madam tells you that, okay, take me to the Hortons or whatever. She'll telling you, and then you're just gonna drive and take her. And you're the sponsor there, giving the payment and all that, of course. But you're not. She wants to be treated. She wants to be worshipped. She's not gonna tell you, chalo, ab ye karo, ab dhoop batti nikalo, ab aise karo, mujh pe itne phool chadao. Then she's just worshipping herself through you. That's what not she wants. She wants to see, do you want to love her? Do you want to worship her? Okay, then go ahead. You can do that. Try your luck. Try your stuff. Right? If you do it out of love, she's gonna accept anything. She's not gonna throw things off and all. Even if you got it out of love, it's not the flavor that I wanted. No, she's not gonna do that. Not a woman in her goddess mode. Never. Okay. Next thing. She will never be posting about her bhakt more than the bhakt posts about her, isn't it? Like a lot of women I see nowadays, they're guys, like they'll be going still girlfriend thing they'll be doing. Like I do not think there is anything like girlfriend, right? Girlfriend is a way of looting the feminine energy of a woman without any investment, right? No label, nothing, no official tag, and so easy to break off, So many will be just having a girlfriend and looking for a wife. So only the stupid ones are being someone's girlfriend in my dictionary. Okay. Though now these girlfriends will be soft launching, hard launching their guys, and check out the guy's page for once. Okay, for once. Not a sight of that woman in the whole thing. Never. In very rare cases I've seen. And okay, there is this creator, okay? She will be posting every second day about her guy. Oh, he's my life, he's my baba, this, that, photos and everything. I'm so happy, they're in love. Okay, check out the guy's page. One day, I just got curious. I was like, okay, let's check out the guy's page. And you know what I saw? Even on her birthday, he has put one picture with her in his story. I don't know if there was any music or not, okay, whatever. And then he puts, happy birthday, gorgeous. Nothing else. Gorgeous, you can even call your mama gorgeous. You can call any fucking body gorgeous who is gorgeous. She is gorgeous, right? So, and that's all. उसकी किसी हाईलाइट में वो बंदी नहीं है. उसकी किसी like स्टोरी में सिर्फ बर्थडे के दिन she got to be. It is embarrassing or what? That's how you know this woman, no matter how hot looking she is, she's not in a goddess mode. Which goddess will be blabbering about that, oh, she's worshipped. The goddess that has never been worshipped or what? This is our everyday thing. Of course, everybody wants her. Of course, everybody wants to look at her. Of course, everybody wants just one glance of her, one photo with us. Of course, that's our life every fucking day. One guy chose you and you are this, like over the seventh cloud, we call it, right? Over the ninth cloud. What the hell? That's just giving nobody ever liked you or what? Like, is this so rare in your life? Where have you been living, under a rock of low self-worth? I don't know. So no goddess will be posting about their bhakt more than the bhakt. Bhakt is in devotion. Of course, he will be posting more. He is overjoyed. He gets to spend time with you. He is overjoyed you chose him. He is overjoyed you are showering your blessings on him. He is overjoyed he gets to see you. He's overjoyed you held her like his hand. He's overjoyed. He will be posting left, right, center. And if he doesn't, the fuck what he deserves? Nothing. Should try better. Right. It's not giving devotion. Okay. So no woman I've seen in a healthy relationship which posts about her husband like, so much, and husband is like, she's there. Never, 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 never. Okay. Husband has to be obsessed. That's the only way it works. Okay. Now, so that's another. Okay. Next is, no goddess is gonna book a tarot card reading to know if her bhakt is sure about her or not. All these women which take tarot card readings with me, when they take it about a man, I'm like, I don't know how this is gonna go. Because any man who is in love with you can never see you unsure about him. He is so damn sure about you. He's gonna make sure every second that, okay, dude, we are on the same page, right? I'm so sure about you. I'm ready. I'm down. Please, just spend your life with me. Spend your time with me. Please, please, please tell me, what more do I need to give? What more do I need to prove? He's gonna be like that. He's gonna be right around that always. And once you are hers, once you are like this, his हर का बड़ा ही, तभी मैं हिंदी में बोल देती हूँ इसलिए कई बार. When you are his, he's gonna be protecting you. He'll be like, okay, she's mine, and I'm gonna keep everyone, everything away in a healthy way, because he wants to keep her happy, just not his but happy, right? So he'll be like, okay, I'll go with you, I'll escort you to this place, I'll keep you safe, and somebody has bad vibes around around you, about you, somebody not talking in a great way about you, it's my time, I need to protect your respect, right? And he will give you that kind of a life. Any guy who is in love with you, okay, not that he is gonna keep you all unsure that I don't know what I want with you, I don't know, life is going like this, oh, something's going on, and this only that guy does who doesn't want to do anything with you. And if you're not able to understand that, you're not in your goddess mode, you're totally disconnected with your intuition. And that's when you get like this, you take tarot card readings for guys. Come on. I mean, I'm one step away from even putting on my page, don't take readings for guys, these are not your guys. For all those readings, I can already tell that's not your guy. Work on yourself and he will be out of your life. They usually get. Okay, now, next is, you cannot tell if you'll also get something if I pray to you. Okay, yeah, this is what I mean is, Bhakt will never put that as, see, dekho, I am worshipping you, so you're also getting benefited, right, as a goddess, that I am worshipping you, so you are getting also, highlighted in the market that you're being worshipped. So I'm also doing you a favor by worshipping you. No bhakt said ever. Exactly, right. So a lot of men out here, I will not call them men, a lot of boys out here, a lot of boys out here, they're trying to make it sound like, what do I like get from these women to worship them like that? Like, if I'm doing that much, then she's also getting benefited. No man in love ever said things like that. He's like, it is my joy that I get to do that for you. Because I am in love with you, everything about you, I like it, and I get to be with you. Out of all the guys which wanted you, I could be deserving of it. I could earn to be with you. What I would do to protect it with my might. That's how it sounds in love. Not like, I am providing for you and I'm doing so many things for you. So, I mean, you know, you can be grateful. Like, and this is the guy who doesn't know who he's talking to. You get it? You're talking to uh, the women which are like the heaven on earth. We bring life force everywhere. Have you ever seen an apartment full of guys? How does that look like? Heaven or hell? You tell me. One woman enters any room the way she transforms. That is reason enough to know that we are the gods. We are the heavens here. We are the life force. So, life force, that's why it's put in our portal for a reason. Now, next is uh, there is never going to be a female loneliness epidemic. Why? Because even if you worship a goddess or not, she stays a goddess regardless. कोई भक्त है नहीं है, she worships herself and lives happily ever after, right? जबकि एक भक्त को जब तक वो किसी गॉडेस का सहारा न ले ले, वो तो भटकता ही रहता है. आपने कितने गाने सुने होंगे, मैं धूप में भटकता था, तुम मिली मुझे छाव जैसे, तुमने मेरी जिंदगी का ये कर दिया वो कर दिया. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ वुमन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. ऑफ कोर्स ओनली अ वुमन कैन डू दैट. कभी सुना है? मैन विल बी टॉकिंग लाइक कि ओ ये आदमी मेरी लाइफ में आया, इसने मेरी आदमी लाइफ में ये भर दिया. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट गेज बट you get what I'm saying. So of course we are the walking life force, and how can we be ever alone? We are the life itself. We are walking magic, right? We love animals, we love nature, we love each other. All goddesses together can form their community and live happily ever after. कोई भक्त आता है, good. नहीं आता है, very good, no problem. Right? We do not need men. Now only it's occurring to them. Earlier we were chained by them. Now when we are no longer chained, we don't need them. We don't need them. When they want us, we'll consider. That's how maximum it gets. So, be in your goddess mode. And if you are not, I can give you the therapy. I can help you heal. I do offer counseling sessions. And yes, you can also be in your goddess mode and enjoy.